My name is Isaac Starrett, and I am joined by Joshua Brown. This is our collective YouTube channel. We are Zuki Brother Adventures. Together on our DRZ 400s, we tackle bush and other terrain, such as mud and dirt, like you have never seen before. Maybe you have, I don't know, just assuming. One goal in mind, reaching the Golden Arches. That's right. We went on this adventure for one reason, and one reason only. A 40-pack of McNuggets. Will we make it? Only you can find out by watching.
We are in...
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Rainforest Adventure number 1.
Welcome to
Rainforest Adventure number 1.
This will go on our collective YouTube channel.
We have one?
I'll make one tonight.
Just chuck it on yours, man. It's easy. I'll just collect yours.
Nah, because mine's got a bunch of game and shit on it.
Nah, that's how most people...
I've posted another video using this on...
I watched that. I gave it a little thumbs up for you.
Oh, thank you. So this is Josh.
Hi, I'm Josh.
And I'm Isaac. And we're trying to get up that hill. I just stacked it down that hill. It hurt. It's a gorgeous area. Alrighty, I'm going up first.
Huh?
I'm going up first.
Okay, hang on.
Fuck off.
I'll move out.
Yeah. There we go. Nice. Yeah, lead the way. Oh, fuck. Scary as.
Mushroom!
Woo! Here we are. Oh, what? Josh Kim.
Hi, JDs and gentlemen.
Josh Kim.
We're gonna run the no-gogs.
No gogs?
How am I still in frame? I'm fucking here. What the fuck? Hey guys. No face, no case. How do I use this?
Just clip it onto the bottom.
Fuck. Sorry guys. Just like that?
Yeah.
Right, just like that he says. Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, there'll be a section where you can see me riding in
I
the
saw.
bush. Yeah.
Hey, are we going back in?
No, we'll go up and out. I'll video you up that hill. Right guys, we got fucking Isaac Starrett here. I mean, I'm Josh, this is Isaac. We're gonna take the sketches.
3. Whoa!
Yes, good line, Isaac. Oh shit! He almost fucking copped it. He's almost copped it. He's almost copped it. He's had a bike for 2 months, I think. Not even. What's he doing? Oh, good work, buddy. I want to have a crack at that, but maybe not today. Mate, at the top. Here he goes. Whoop. That is so steep. Yeah, baby.
Oh. keep hitting the back brake, so the front brake. Bad idea. Naughty Isaac.
How sick was that track?
Dude, I was hitting so many jumps, but oh my god, when it came to that massive puddle, I stabbed the front brake.
Oh, too busy looking at Isaac. Whoa, that was a close one. Let's watch Isaac hit that channel. Yeah, buddy. Oh, Isaac. Oh, he's fucked it. I want you to use your brain power to work out how you're gonna get yourself out of this one.
Sit here and cry.
You're a fuckwit. Don't go up this one, go up that one.
What?
Don't go up this one, go up that one.
What's the plan?
Well, looks like you're pretty indecisive.
If I was wearing my road boots, I would have ripped my leg off just then.
Yeah.
I hit a really nasty nook on there.
Alright, get off. What are you doing? How are you gonna do it?
Fucking glue.
Pick the back wheel up and put it where you want it.
That's shit, by the way.
Just pick your back wheel up. Pick your wheel up. Lean it on ya. Lean over more and just go and drag it. Just go and drag it. Oi. Or,
I have to get on that side.
I don't want you to go this way because you're going to scrape up those nice new pegs.
No, I'm going to have to get onto this side to lift it into here.
Oh, okay. Well, you know what else you could do?
What?
Go back to Lake Memorial and try the whole thing again because you just fucked it.